How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hey everyone, in today's video I show you how to transfer your game data from Google Play Games to Game Center on iOS. If you've switched from Android to iPhone, this guide will help you sync your progress. So let's get started. Before starting, make sure the game you're playing supports cross-platform syncing between Android and iOS. Popular games like Clash of Clans or PUBG allow you to link your progress across platforms. So check the game settings for account linking options. To transfer data, most games require you to link your progress to a third-party account like Facebook, Google, or the game's own account system. On your Android device, open the game and go to the settings or account section and link your game data to a Facebook, Google, or game-specific account. Next, on your iPhone or iPad, log into Game Center using your Apple ID. Open the same game on your iOS device. Go to the settings and look for the option to restore or sync your game data from the third-party account you linked earlier. Once logged in, your game progress should sync automatically from the third-party account to Game Center, and you can now continue your game seamlessly on your new iOS device with the same progress. And that's how you transfer your game data from Google Play Games to Game Center. If you have any questions, feel free to check the description or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.